Why a clean project directory matters.
Maintaining a clean project directory isn't just about tidiness. It helps you find files quickly, reduces confusion, and prevents common bugs. By keeping only what's necessary, you make your work easier, improve collaboration, and ensure your code runs smoothly across different machines. A well-organized directory lays the foundation for reliable and efficient software development.
What to keep. Essential files to track.
Always include source code files, configuration files, documentation, and essential assets like images or style sheets. These files are needed for building, running, and understanding your project. Also, track version control files, such as those for Git, and scripts that automate tasks. Keeping these files ensures your project can be easily shared, built, and maintained by anyone who works with it.
What to exclude, files to ignore with .gitignore.
Exclude automatically generated files like build artifacts, log files, dependency folders, and sensitive information such as environment variable files or API keys. Temporary or user-specific files, like IDE settings, should also be ignored. Use a .gitignore file to specify these exclusions, keeping your version control system clean and protecting private or unnecessary data from being shared.
What to delete. Removing unnecessary clutter.
Delete outdated backups, unused assets, and redundant files, such as old drafts or deprecated scripts. Regularly review your directory to remove these items, which can otherwise cause confusion and increase storage usage. By keeping only what's relevant, you ensure your project stays easy to manage and understand, both for yourself and other contributors.
Best practices for ongoing maintenance.
Schedule regular directory cleanups and update your .gitignore as your project evolves. Document the structure in a README file so newcomers understand what belongs. Encourage your team to follow the same habits. By consistently maintaining your project's organization, you guarantee a more efficient workflow and a base for successful collaborative development.